Hi everyone, welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well and Alhamdulillah, I'm also good. So in this video, I am going to share all the actual questions which was asked in the ground aptitude test. In the previous video, you must have seen where I have explained about all the mandatory sections, all the questions regarding that. And in this video, I am going to explain the rest sections, which was critical thinking, like section 3, and then again there was like section 6, which is attention to detail, and then quantitative aptitude, speed and distance, and all those things which was left. I'm going to explain in this video. So stay tuned with me till the end of the video if you want more details, right? So basically, yeah, here let's start with the critical thinking. So it was in the section number 3, which is having 5 questions. Okay, it consists 5 questions, 1 mark per question, and the topics was related to on project management and all. I have applied for the post of software engineer intern, so it was related to that. Let's see what kind of questions. First question is, which of the following is an example of sustainable engineering practice? Sustainable engineering practice. So you need to identify from the given options. First is disposing of hazardous waste in landfills, designing products for planned obsolescence, implementing energy efficient systems, increasing resource consumption for higher production rates. Okay. So we need to select the most suitable one. So we're here they are asking about the example of sustainable engineering practices. So I think the first one will be the right answer, disposing of hazardous waste in landfills. Next is, when faced with a complex engineering problem. Okay. Some scenario based question. When faced with a complex engineering problem, which approach is most effective? So read one by one each and every options. Relying solely on personal experience and intuition, seeking diverse perspectives and collaborating with team members, it can be. Then focusing only on the technical aspects without considering external factors, no. We need to see the external factors also, and what will be the outcome. Next is following a linear and inflexible problem solving process. So, no. So for, among all the 4 options, I think B is the most suitable one. Seeking diverse perspectives and collaborating with team members, which is the approach, most effective approach for the complex engineering problem. Okay. You can see, and you can try to solve it by your own, and let me know your feedback. Okay. Next is question number 3. Which of the following is a crucial aspect of ethical engineering? Crucial aspect of ethical engineering, okay. Prioritizing cost reduction over safety. Prioritizing cost reduction over safety. Okay. Engaging in bribery for project approvals. I don't think so. Adhering to established codes of professional conduct. No, ignoring the potential social and environmental impacts. No, I think prioritizing cost reductions over safety. No, cost deduction can be there. Safety is most important, not the cost. So I think adhering to established codes of professional conduct or engaging in bribery for project. I think C will be the right answer, but I'm not sure. So you can also check from your side. Next is during the design phase of a project. Okay, so this is SDLC question, software development life cycle. During the design phase of a project, what is the primary purpose of feasibility study? So, primary purpose of feasibility study, you need to check from the given options which is the most suitable one, because the feasibility study means overall everything, like everything here, I mean the all the aspects of project, like including technical, economic, financial, legal, environmental. But let's see. Option A is determining the final cost estimate. Okay, so financial terms is there. Identifying potential risks and challenges, outlining the project timeline and milestones, evaluating the project's technical viability. So in it is separated in each option. There should be one option all of the above, but it is not there. So need to select in these four only. So I think B is the most suitable one. Identifying potential risks and challenges, primary purpose of feasibility study. Because if you will analyze at the beginning of stage, then we can implement in the later stages. I think so. So B will be the right answer according to me as per the given options, because obviously financial will be also there, timeline will be also there, technical will be also there, but which one then we should select? So I think odd one out. Identifying potential risks and challenges. So total 5 questions were there from this critical thinking section. Five. Question number 5 is, what is the main purpose of a design review in engineering projects? Main purpose of design review. Okay. So identifying and documenting design flows. No, only on not focusing on design flaws. Approving the projects for implementation. Obviously, assessing the project's financial viability. Yes. Evaluating the performance of project stakeholders. Hmm, I think main purpose of design review. So at the stage of design review, I think we should focus more on identifying and documenting design flaws, right? Because approving the project for implementation, yeah, it can also be there, but need to select one. So I think A, identifying and documenting design flaws. I have marked this one only. So that's all about all the questions of the critical thinking. Okay. Now starts verbal ability section, which is section number 4. And from the verbal ability, there were total 12 questions. Okay. If we will, so many of you were asking me in my previous video, like how many total number of questions. So if you will count all the number of questions of all these section, then it will be 50. Yeah, 50 number of questions were there, and of 60 minutes. Okay. So in verbal ability, 12 questions. First one starts with the arrange the following sentence in a logical sequence. The team analyzed the data and drew conclusions. So I don't think that conclusion here talking about the conclusion. Conclusion can be in the last, right? So it will not be in the first sequence. Then the research question was formulated. Okay, question was formulated, but before that there should be any data found or something. Okay, the data collection process was carried out. I think okay this one. And then the methodology was designed and implemented. No, the findings were presented in a research paper. Okay. So if you will see the option, then you can easily get the correct sequence. Okay. See, uh, here in the first option A, that you talking about the due conclusion, right? So see, A is coming in this option. E B C D A. A is coming here last. So this will be the answer. But let's hold on. We can check the other options also. Starting with the E. See, the data collection process was carried out. First, we will find the data. Now we got the data. Then on the uh, data collection, we can now formulate all the research questions. So B will be there the next sequence. Now we have the formulated research questions. So what will be the next step? The methodology was designed and implemented. Okay, now you have implemented the design and all the methodology, and then the findings were presented in a research paper. Whatever you have found, it will be presented in the research paper, and in the last the team analyze the data and give conclusions. So the correct sequence will be EBCDA. Okay. Next is question number 2. Select the option that corrects the sentence. Each of the students in the classroom have completed their assignments. Okay. See, each of the students in the classroom have completed their assignments is given there. So each is considered as a singular. Okay, so here the word will be used the singular word, but here it is used have, so it is incorrect. So we need to select the correct one. So see in the options, have will be eliminated. Wherever have is the that will be eliminated. Okay, so now we have to select among these three. Has completed his or her assignment, has completed their assignment. Now it will be also eliminated. Why? Because with has we have to use the singular only, and there is not singular, it is plural. So with has we can what we can use, his or her. So now either B will be answer or D will be answer. Now we need to focus one more thing, has completed his or her assignment or has completed his her assignments. So now again repeat the sentence, each of the students in the classroom has completed their assignments, has completed his or her assignments. So I think D will be the correct answer. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong. Next is, because I am also a candidate only like you. Okay, wait. Yeah. Question number three. Select the word that best complete the sentence. The new manufacturing process significantly dash the production time. So need to select the most suitable word which fills here. The new manufacturing process significantly lengthen cannot be filled there. Decreases also not suitable, enhances no, reduces can be. So the new manufacturing process significantly reduces the production time. So the correct answer will be option D. Question number 4 is, identify the error in the following sentence. The sentence is, the company's goal is to provide innovative solutions to its customers. Now focus here on the words. The company's goal is to provide innovative solutions to its customer. It seems correct sentence, but I think here should be apostrophe. Its customers. Its customers. It is to providing no, not correct. Innovative is the company's goal is to provide is correct. Innovative is also correct. So either no error or to its. But I think if we will focus on the apostrophe and also to its will be answer. Either it seems correct sentence, so no error. Next question. Select the option that correctly fills in the blank. The project deadline is dash next Friday. Here it is referring on the uh, future perspective, right? So the project deadline is next Friday. So due cannot be there. Due will be used in the past. What happened already? So it is talking about next Friday. So it will be eliminated. Overdue is also eliminated. Due next Friday not suitable. Overdue no. Missed can also be not there. Missed means like the previous day that we will talk about then. But scheduled can be there. Like the project deadline is scheduled, or you can call it scheduled next Friday. Yeah. So C will be the correct answer. Next, question number 6 is, select the option that corrects the sentence. Her success in the competition was a result of both talent and what? So hard working is working here as an what? Verb, right? And then hard worker is also not suitable. Hard working is also not suitable. Her success in the competition was a result of both talent and hard work. It is noun. So it will be the most suitable word. So option B will be the correct answer. Next, question number 7. Select the word that best complete the sentence. The professor delivered an engaging lecture capturing the dash of the students. So all the four words seems like correct only, but we need to pick the most suitable one. Attention, curiosity, interest, comprehension. Comprehension can be eliminated. No, it is not suitable. and interest can be their attention also, but here need to focus on the word engaging. The professor delivered an engaging lecture capturing, I think, curiosity, capturing curiosity of the students. So B can be the correct answer. Okay, next question number 8. Identify the error in the following sentence. He advises his clients on financial matters and investments. Okay, so in options, it is divided in four sections. Like he advises on financial matters, investments, no error. So see, the spelling of this advices, ADVICES. If we are giving, like if I will tell, I'm giving you one advice. The, so here it works as a noun, as like I'm giving you piece of advice, right? So that time the I mean the spelling will be ADVIC, correct. But when it is using, when I'm using it as a verb, like if I am giving you advice, like I'm advising you, so that time it will be ADVISING, right? So he advises, here he is advising, so here ADVISES will be, should be there. So that's why it is the erroneous word. So first question, I mean option number A will be the correct answer. Okay. Sometimes I speak so quickly, no? Sorry for it. Okay, question number 9. Select the option that correctly fills in the blank. The company's decision to expand was dash by market research. Okay. To expand was justified by market research, justifying by market research, justification by market, justifiable by market. No, I think justified, right? The company's decision to expand was justified by market research. Okay, question number 10. Which of the following options correctly rearranges the words to form a grammatically correct sentence? Read the sentence. She dinner yesterday cooked delicious. No. Delicious cooked dinner she yesterday. It is very simple question. Yesterday she cooked delicious dinner. Here we are able to get the meaning of the sentence, right? Cooked yesterday she delicious. No. So option C will be the correct answer. Yesterday she cooked delicious dinner. Or we can write it like she cooked delicious dinner yesterday. Anyways, C will be the correct answer. Alright, question number 11. Select the option that corrects the sentence. The team is working harder in order to meet the project deadline. In order to meet is not the correct word, it is erroneous. So we need to identify the correct option. In order to meet, eliminated. For meeting, no. For meets, no. In order to meet is the correct one. The team is working hard in order to meet the project deadline. So option B will be the correct answer. Last question number 12 of the verbal ability. Select the word that best completes the sentence. The new software provides dash functionality and user-friendly interface. The new software provides dash functionality. I think, yeah, advanced functionality and user-friendly interface, because advanced, no, advancement, no, advancing, no. Advanced will be the correct answer. So question number 12, correct answer will be option A, advanced. So this was all about the verbal ability. Now till this in this video we have discussed about two sections. Section 3, critical thinking, and then section 4, verbal ability. Okay. Section 5 we have already discussed in my previous video. So now section 7, percentage, interest, probability, speed, profit, LCM and equation. I found this that I can share with you all because it is a little tricky. So that's why. And yeah, section C I could not include here. I will see if I have noted somewhere. So I will collect all those questions and then I'll try to sum up in my next video. And because I cannot include all the questions in just one single video. It will be very lengthy, and also I need to collect all the questions first of all, then we can arrange it. So the left questions can be discussed in the next video, but here I have taken all the important questions. So starting with the first question, the population of a city increased by 20% in the first year, decreased by 15% in the second year, and increased by 10% in the third year. What is the overall percentage change in the population? Percentage change we need to find out here. Okay. So this question can be solved. First of all, we can say like let initial population of city is 100. Okay, it is asking in terms of percentage, so we can assume as 100 first of all. So the population of city initially can, let it assume 100. In first year it increased by 20%. Okay, so it can be, it becomes like 100 plus 20, so it will be like 120. Okay, so 120 in the first year, so decreased by 15% in the second year. So now 100, keep 100 and then into means multiplication, and then decreased by 15%. So now you need to take the last increased 120, and then you can do what, 15% decrease, so 100 minus 15. Okay, first you need to check, you need to, I wish I could write here. How can I write? Hmm. 100 into x into 120, then multiplication, then x minus, 120 minus 15, because last was 120, it was increased 20%, then minus 15, so x minus 1 1 15, 120 minus 15, and then into increased by 10% in the third year. So now the what you need to select, third year 10% increased, so again 110, 110, right? So now you can solve it, means I'm saying it again, x into 120, then multiplication, x 120 minus 15, and then multiplication, and then 1 and what, 120, yeah, 120, 10% is increased in third year, so plus 10. So now by 100 you need to find in the percentage, so divide by 100, then you can simplify, and then you will get, I have given you idea, you can solve it, because for this I need paper to make you understand also. Okay, you can solve it and let me know in the comment section what answer you got it from these given options: 14, 15, 16, and 17%. You need to find the percentage change only.